When we have clients come in who have been injured as a pedestrian by a motor vehicle, one of the things that they often ask is if there's a minimum amount of medical expenses they need to have incurred in order to support going forward with a claim for compensation. The answer is, in most situations, no, they don't need to. The more appropriate evaluation is the significance of their injuries. You can't always just go by the amount of medical expenses, because there are some injuries that are very severe but involve very low medical expenses, such as a large cut or road rash, or those types of things that may involve cleanup or stitching that don't incur a lot of expenses but are going to leave you with a permanent scar. Permanent scarring, especially in females, is an injury that usually brings very good compensation with it. On the other hand, if the pedestrian has some responsibility for the impact, wasn't where he or she was supposed to be, was out of a crosswalk or something of that nature, it may not matter how much. They may have $1 million in medical expenses and it's not a viable claim because of liability issues. So the best thing to do, especially in a pedestrian case, is if you've been hit and you've been injured to any extent, go ahead and contact a personal injury attorney immediately and make sure that you know what's going on, and let the attorney evaluate your case and help you decide if it's viable or not. If you've been injured in this type of case and you'd like to speak with me, please give me a call. We're here to help.